BWEI Electronics Technology Company Limited is a national high-tech enterprise integrating research and development. Main products are microwave high-frequency electronics are satellite receiving series products, microwave module series products, and other cable television receiving equipment. Intellectual property rights and pass the testing of national professional institutions. BWEI has 78 national patent certificates, of which 19 invention patents and 12 computer software copyrights have been authorized. In 2013 and 2016, the company was recognized as a state-level high-tech enterprise twice in succession. In 2013, 4 products were identified as high-tech products. In 2014, BWEI was awarded BWEI Intellectual Property Demonstration Enterprise. In 2015, it was awarded as BWEI Pioneering Training Base. In 2016, BWEI Model Enterprise of Integration and Informatization and Industrialization. In 2017, the Demonstration Enterprise of Integration has obtained a comprehensive certification of ISO 9000, ISO 14001, GBT 28001, and 2001 Occup